Back on the $500 Monte Carlo. And as you can see, we popped a check engine light. Again, I just cleared one the other day on the last video. I got my new reader. I love this. Actually, it's a scanner, not a code reader. But you might want to check this out. I will put it in the description. But we are going to find out what this is. Let's read the code. Okay, let's see what this code is. I like this new scanner. ML status on. That means the check engine light is on. Mission. I just got this new reader. Hold on one second. There we go. Read codes. P0440, which is what I popped the other day, which is see the little eye up there? I can press that right here on my reader. This is a great scanner. You got to get one of these. Okay, and this is how cool this reader is. Sorry about the finger. Possible cause P0440, missing or loose fuel cap, incorrect fuel filler cap used. Fuel filler cap remains open or fails to close. Now, the video you saw right before this, I popped this code. It said evap. It was on a Walmart code reader. I went and got me a new gas cap from AutoZone. And I'm gonna tell you, learn from my mistakes. When it comes to gas caps, and I was cheap, I should have went to the dealer. I went to AutoZone, and they sold me a $10 cap that isn't working. So what I did was I went to the dealer, and I had to spend $25 on a gas cap. And I popped it on, and I'm getting ready to clear the code, and we'll see if it comes back within a week. But generally, when you put on a cheap gas cap, not all the time, but certain cars, um, you'll pop a check engine light with a brand new gas cap. So um, go get you one from the dealer and eat the cost. But anyway, we went and got the new cap. So we're going to, let's see, this is only the second time for me using this reader. And we are going to, let's erase this code. You see my check engine light is on right there. And we'll just do it right here, right now. Because I put the cap on already. You gotta love this reader. This reader tells me all sorts of stuff. And, oh, I gotta hit yes. It says, clear reset emission relay for me. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Hopefully I hit yes. Please turn ignition on with engine off. Please enter key. Please enter key. Okay. Oops, I made a mistake. I started the car. My bad. Okay. My new reader, I'm a little funky with. But anyway, we cleared the light. It's gone. And I'm going to drive this car all day long. And what I really like about this reader, I'll show it to you in the next video. I can actually keep it plugged in and drive around and analyze my engine while I'm driving. So if it's got some intermittent faults or it's cutting dead on me or whatever it's doing, it used to do that. It doesn't do it anymore. But this is a beautiful reader. I will put a link in it to the description. Believe it or not, This reader to me does so much, and I paid 65 bucks for it, and I think I overpaid because I saw them for $30 after that. But this is a really, really good tool to have, and I keep it in my glove box, so I don't need any mechanic to tell me what's wrong with my car. Even if I can't fix it myself, at least I know what's wrong with it, so I can't be ripped off. Anyway, this is the No Start Garage, and we just cleared a code, and we just used my brand new scanner, the Ansell AD530. I love it. I don't know how to use it all yet. I'm gonna play with it, but when I do, I'm gonna come back and do another video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please give me a like. Thank you.